But coming back to the story of obstacle, तो ये obstacle life में आएंगे. Now when she had the obstacle, there was self-doubt. Now when you face an obstacle, the question comes, how do you overcome that obstacle? Now what do you do? Now here there are two things that you can do. The first way of overcoming the obstacle is having very strong mindset. And that mindset हमारे पास नहीं है. Having a very strong mindset. Mindset. So preparation is more about mindset. Then comes the strategy. और फिर मेहनत तो it's a part of your life job regular करते हो. Now here mindset comes with doing something that will help you develop that mindset. एक तो है कि because let's say you are surrounded by people who are telling that अरे नहीं है, ये तो ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है. So how do you develop mindset? That is the first thing. And as a mentor of the teaching process, I'm more concerned about how do we make sure that आपकी तैयारी और आपकी mindset towards examination pro रहे, because that mindset will decide the outcome of the effort that you put in the next 7-8 hours. तो mindset पे काम करना होगा, and I'm thinking of how to work on that mindset, because there are ways to do that, but again maybe that you might not do. Normally what people do, they read books, they go for motivational videos, they go for Joe Stocks, they see videos, they see the failure stories and the people who bounce back. ठीक है, सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स पढ़ते हैं. दैट इज वन वे ऑफ डेवलपिंग द एटीट्यूड एंड माइंडसेट, जो एक सब लोग कर सकते हैं. बट अगेन एज अ यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट आई हैव लिमिटेड टाइम. अभी मैं कह दूं जो गो एंड रीड दिस बुक एंड देन सडनली कहोगे सर तैयारी कर रहे हैं, बुक पढ़ रहे हैं, तो तैयारी वाला टेंशन बढ़ जा रहा है. तो दैट इज वन एरिया, एंड आई एम थिंकिंग दैट हाउ शुड आई help you in developing mindset for aspirant who are routinely following 8 hours of. Second way is surrounding yourself with people who understand you as an individual and who understand the pain that you have in the journey, and they are supportive of the process that you are following and they're not discouraging you. Okay? These are two things that you have to do that. So how do you overcome obstacle? First is developing the right mindset. Now पूरा game mindset का है 80%. And second is of course surround with people who are supportive of your goal. Okay, so people who are spreading what I always talk about, energy, the positive energy. So whenever I have also in my 10-15 years of my preparation life, my entrepreneurial life, I have many a time I've faced this problem. And whenever I'm positive, things happen. And whenever I'm negative, things do not happen. But moment I'm positive and I'm the ditch right now, I bounce back. And that is what I've seen with aspirants who crack it. Now I gave a story, और मैं मेरे पास ऐसी 10 story मैं आपको एक करके story सुनाऊंगा. But these stories are, I'm telling you that what you are going through, it is every second aspirant is going through the similar problem. The question is how well you are able to come out of that. And whatever your problems are there, don't come with a problem, come with a solution. So when you come to me saying that, sir, ye dikkat ho rahi hai, you also come with a solution. Sir, this is a problem I'm facing, and this is a solution I'm thinking, and I'm doing that. So that is a game of mindset. Second is surround yourself with people who are positive, who are supporting your journey, who understand your pain, your struggle. Because after abhi journey mein shuru mein to sab theek hoga. After a year or two, suddenly the same people around you will start pushing you down, pulling you down. They will question your things are not working, or you should go for this. Acha, wo wala form bhi bhar lo. This person. Then they will share you some success stories or videos. They do not know the struggle. You might have to go. The peer pressure, parental pressure, familiar pressure, your friends doing better, that pressure. तो ये सारी चीजें आना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी. सो दैट इज वेयर इन द बिगिनिंग इटसेल्फ द जर्नी, तो पहले 2 साल की जर्नी होगी, दैट इज व्हाट विल डिसाइड माय आउटकम, एंड आई हैव टू गिव माय बेस्ट. So your journey have just started. Most of you, things are on the rolling phase. They have started. So strong positive mindset. कैसे आएगा? उस पे हम लोग बात करेंगे. One is of course you start, helping yourselves. Help yourself. Distract or keep away from negative things that is hampering your preparation. मैंने कहा कि तो लोग social media use करते हैं. How many of you have deleted the app? Distraction है. मेरे मोबाइल पे इस 2 महीने पहले तक I had Amazon, Netflix, Instagram, and you tell me the app and I have. मैं उसको यूज अपने हिसाब से कर लेता हूँ, बट स्टिल मेरा उसमें 1.5-2 घंटा जा रहा था. एंड आई रियलाइज दैट मेनी टाइम्स because the algorithm, today's AI, and they're so smart that they will suck you in. They play with your emotion, your pain, and suddenly they suck you in. तो एक तरीका ये है कि आप उसको डिलीट कर दो अपने मोबाइल फोन से. That is the only way I feel will work for you. And then suddenly your life will be quieter. There'll be more peace. There'll be a longing for a day. आप तुरंत मोबाइल उठाओगे और ऐप लोगे, ऐप तो है ही नहीं. Then you keep the mobile down. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने ऐप डिलीट किया है and you pick the mobile and you just scrolling it and suddenly अरे ऐप तो नहीं है. मेरे साथ हुआ है. खाली हुए तो अच्छा काम है, क्लास लेना है, नोट बनाना है, मटेरियल बनाना है, तो आई विल डू इट मैं लेजर टाइम में करूंगा. बट वो लेजर टाइम रात को 8 बजे आया. लेजर टाइम के एट 7 और मे बी 6:30 वन डे. अब मेरे फैमिली का टाइम है तो मैं उस टाइम पे व्हाट्सएप देख रहा हूँ. आई एम गोइंग थ्रू सोशल मीडिया, आई एम गोइंग थ्रू नेटफ्लिक्स. अच्छा ये सीरीज अच्छा था, देखता हूँ, एक एपिसोड देखा. फिर वाइफ कह रही है वेयर आर यू, व्हाई यू आर नॉट स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद किड्स. अच्छा ठीक है. देन एक सेल्फ गिल्ट आया, मेरे बच्चों के साथ खेलना स्टार्ट किया. देन सडनली समथिंग केम एंड देन सडनली आर स्क्रोलिंग इंस्टाग्राम, सोशल मीडिया. अच्छा मैं क्या देखता हूँ, आई गो फॉर इकोनॉमिक न्यूज, जियो पॉलिटिकल न्यूज. तो मुझे उसके आ रहे हैं फीड, मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है अरे वो पढ़ना है, वो देखना है, वो कुछ तो पॉडकास्ट आया है, आई वांट टू सी दैट बिकॉज दैट इज माय इंटरेस्ट एरिया. बट इट वाज सकिंग मी इन बिकॉज देख तो बहुत रहा था, रिटेंशन जीरो. रिटेंशन इज जीरो. देन मोमेंट 2 दिन महीने पहले मैंने सबको एक करके डिलीट किया एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग सम कि कैसे इसको रोका जाए. प्रॉब्लम मेरे सामने था, सोल्यूशन भी मेरे सामने था, बट आई वाज नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट सोल्यूशन. 2 महीने लगा डिलीट करने में उसको. देन वन डे नो, इन द लास्ट 15-20 days आई विल वॉच टेलीविजन, नेटफ्लिक्स ओनली विद माय फैमिली. दैट इज अ कोड ऑफ ऑनर आई डिसाइडेड. So that will make sure that I will watch only when family is watching. So that's a family time. Now again, I'm not saying that aap bhi kar lo, but it works. I'm today more positive, more energetic. I'm more focused on my work, and I'm ready to take and help you in crossing your journey. And that is why I'm making you do these things. मैं सोच रहा हूँ क्या करें. How do I make you more accountable? So you have to overcome your obstacle, reduce your negative energies, and surround yourself with people who are positive. And you do it, believe me, the success will come. Nobody can stop you in this world. The only problem is that you have potential, but you do not know. आपके अंदर जो हनुमान जी है उसको पता नहीं है. हनुमान जी, you know what the power of हनुमान जी? He did not knew he had power because he was उनको ऊपर एक श्राप लगा था. बदमाश थे. ठीक है, मंकी माइंड था. मंकी माइंड, अच्छा our mind is also monkey, jumps here and there. अभी यहाँ बैठे हो, सडनली कोई आवाज आया, वहाँ दरवाजा खुला, कौन आ गया, अरे ये जो कह रहा हूँ इधर ध्यान दो ना. Everybody, कौन आया क्लास में? There's a monkey mind. You don't know how to control your mind. जो मैं बातें कर रहा हूँ वहां फोकस है और घर दिमाग में कुछ और भी चल रहा है. monkey mind. Your mind is monkey. You are monkey. Basically हम monkey से तो आए हैं. We are evolved version of monkey. So monkey mind will be there, right? So what do we do here? We learn to control this monkey mind. We develop process and system that monkey mind can be controlled, and then you start feeling more alive, more energetic, more positive, and things will work for you. So you have to listen to my. कितनों ने goal card बनाया? How many of you have made goal card? How many of you have shared the goal card with me? Okay. How many of you read goal card every day? गोल कार्ड बनाया, अलमारी में डाल दिया. तो आपका गोल क्या पता ही नहीं आपको. When you set up in the morning, what is the goal? What is your goal? To come to the class, after the class talk and do chit chat, then go to social media, then blame situations. Test का score नहीं आ रहा है. When somebody asks me the test का score नहीं आ रहा है, I ask the first thing, how many times you revised? Sir, 1 time. Now you expect miracles? You expect miracles? Revising 1 time, वो भी नहीं किया है. और monkey mind है तो वो भी अच्छे से नहीं होगा. I'm quite sure. It will require 3-4 revisions, at least. Did you analyze your test? Why did you make mistake? Did you analyze it thoroughly or not? The answer is 9 out of 10 times I get negative answer. Negative means affirmation is not there. Positive नहीं आता है. That means things will not work. तो problem आपको पता है, solution भी आपको पता है, but you're not working. We differ, we procrastinate. कल करेंगे. I'll do it later. An obstacle come, you leave it. You leave that path, you start something else. तो आपको अपने mindset को strong करना होगा. And this is not about preparation itself. It's about life. It's about life. The people who reach at the top, they are people. That number of people that is not more than 2, 3, 5%. At max 5% people, 3% people are at the top. But these are people who are different because of their mindset and then of course the strategy they have. हार्ड वर्क सब लोग कर रहे हैं बेटा, लेबर भी 8 घंटा, बट उसी लेबर में से एक लेबर बड़ा बिजनेसमैन बन जाता है. इट इज ऑल अबाउट माइंडसेट. A person is not educated and learned, you know. So I have seen people